Good day, everybody. This is the Hermit Modeler coming at you from the junkyard diorama again. We're going to be talking about more specifically the living quarters for it, which are way over here past the yard, past the gas station, and are this little mobile home 30-foot that I built going into this space. It represents a home that is still livable, but is showing wear and tear and age and not the best care. I live in a mobile home park and have lived in several, and where people are really trying, and not just trying, but succeeding in keeping their homes beautiful, in excellent repair. And this one actually is on a golf course that I live in. And the management here is just super. And I feel that to have this mobile home represented like this is a detriment to what people are trying to do of removing the stigma that is on mobile homes and letting people know that these homes can and are well kept. You are naturally going to have the few parks out there that are not, but people are really working now to have nice homes. And I'm going to be removing this mobile home off of the layout. I'm going to be using a truck trailer as my basis. Let me set this on top of here. It's not going to matter. So I'm going to be doing a 2-bedroom with a living room up here in the front, then a kitchen, a hallway with a little bedroom off to the side, and a bathroom off to the side of that, and then a major bedroom down at the end here. This one will represent 40 feet of mobile home. And it's not that much bigger. I mean, if you look, when we set that on there, it's not that much more length that it's going to take up. I'm going to be taking up some of the junkyard area to the back, that area right about in there, coming up beside the home in that area, and then coming to the front. And I'm going to be doing landscaping, of which this is going to be a beautifully landscaped home. There'll be a garden back there. There's going to be a little sitting area on this side where those steps are at. I'm going to make a little kind of a blocked in sitting area so that, they're not going to be able to just look out and see the junkyard. They're going to have just a nice probably some pavers down there and that sort of thing. Lots of flowers. Just a really nice place to sit there and relax in. Bring that around to this other side too, with a much nicer porch on it. So I'm going to be trying to do this as a much nicer home for the people to live in, and showing respect to my park and to all the parks where they're really trying to have a nice atmosphere for the people to live in, as this park does. So this is the Hermit Modeler. Signing off for the time being on this one. Next time you see work done on it, it will be starting to take some sort of shape. And I encourage you to hit the like button. Keep watching, by the way. There will be several episodes of this. And hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you get those episodes. So once again, Hermit Modeler, I'm off the air and gone.